Hi friends, good morning. Yesterday already we discussed how to arrange fractions in ascending order and descending order, and which fraction is highest and which fraction is lowest. So here three types of models is there. Today we will discuss the three types of models. Let's see. So 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7, 11 by 7, and next 5 by 6, 11 by 12, 3 by 4, 23 by 24. Okay, and one more model is there, 7 by 10, 4 by 5, 1 by 2. Okay, here three types of models is there. So this is type 1, this is type 2, and this is type 3. Three types of models. Okay, so let's see first type of model. So 2 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7, 11 by 7. Here all fractions denominators are same. Yes or no? 7, 7, 7, 7. So simply LCM is 7. For this type, simply you can written as, in numerator which number is more, that fraction is more. In numerator which number is less, that fraction is less. So if you observe among this fraction, numerator 2, 6, 4, 11, which number is more? 11 is more. So simply 11 by 7 is highest fraction. And next 6 by 7 is next second highest fraction, and next 4 by 7 is third highest fraction, and 2 by 7 is lowest fraction. Simply 11 by 7 greater than 6 by 7 greater than 4 by 7 greater than 2 by 7. So if he asking arrange the ascending order, means simply ascending order means lowest fraction to highest fraction. Lowest fraction is 2 by 7, higher next fraction is 4 by 7, and next fraction is 6 by 7, next fraction is 11 by 7. So this is ascending order. So small number to small to big. And if you are asking descending order, means highest fraction to lowest fraction. So 11 by 7, 6 by 7, 4 by 7, so 2 by 7. So this is descending order, big to small. Okay, so this is type 1. We can follow like this. And coming to type 2, so here fraction is 5 by 6, 11 by 12, 3 by 4, 23 by 24. So this type of model already we discussed in my previous video. If you don't watch once. Okay, so 5 by 6, 11 by 12, 3 by 4, 23 by 24. So if you observe here, the difference of numerator and denominator for first fraction 5 by 6 is 1, and 11 by 12, here also the difference of numerator and denominator is 1. Here also difference of numerator and denominator is 1. Here also difference of numerator and denominator is 1. And one more condition is there, so denominator is higher than the numerator in first fraction, and second fraction also denominator is higher than the numerator, and here also denominator is higher than the numerator, here also denominator is higher than the numerator. So in such type of conditions, simply you can written as, again in numerator which number is more, that fraction is highest fraction. 23 by 24 is a highest fraction, and 5 by 6 is a lowest fraction, and 23 by 24 is greater than the 11 by 12, and 11 by 12 is greater than the 5 by 6. 5 by 6 is greater than the 3 by 4. Here 3 by 4 is a lowest fraction, and 23 by 24 is a highest fraction. If you arrange ascending order, means small to big. Small fraction is 3 by 4, and next 3 by 4, 5 by 6, and 11 by 12, and next 23 by 24. So this is ascending order, small to big. Okay, if you arrange descending order means highest fraction is 23 by 24, and next 11 by 12, and next 5 by 6, and next 3 by 4. This is descending order, big fraction to small fraction. So one more type is there. Now third type, type 3. Okay, so 7 by 10 and 4 by 5, 1 by 2. If you observe here, so already we discussed trick, that's not here applicable, because of, if you observe 7 by 10, the difference of 7 by 10 is 3, here 4 by 5 1, 1 by 2 here 1. So here that condition is not applicable. So how to do? So simply 7 by 10, forget this fraction, leave it first. So if you observe 4 by 5 and 1 by 2, here difference of numerator and denominator is 1, here also difference of numerator and denominator is 1. Here our rule is applicable between these two fractions only. Okay, when we compare 4 by 5 with respect to 1 by 2, simply which fraction is more? So 4 by 5 fraction is more, 1 by 2 is less. So now compare with this 4 by 5 fraction with respect to 7 by 10. 7 by 10. So between these two fractions, which fraction is more? So then how we can do? See here. So simply cross multiply. 7 into 5, how much? 35. 10 into 4, how much? 40. Okay, 7 5 is 35, 10 4 is 40. Which number is more? 40 is more. So that's why 4 by 5 is highest fraction. So okay, 4 by 5 is a highest fraction than 7 by 10. So 4 by 5 is a highest fraction. Next 7 by 10 is second highest fraction. Next 1 by 2. So if we don't know how we can decide 7 by 10 is highest fraction than 1 by 2, once again check it. So 7 by 10 and 1 by 2. So cross multiply. 7 2s are 14, 10 1s are 10. So 14 is higher than the 10. So 7 by 10 is a highest fraction than 1 by 2. So this is descending order. 4 by 5 greater than 7 by 10 greater than 1 by 2. Okay, if you are asking us arrange ascending order means, so 1 by 2 is the lowest fraction, next second lowest is 7 by 10, and the next one is 4 by 5. So this is types of arranging the fractions in ascending order or descending order, and which fraction is highest fraction and which fraction is lowest fraction. Okay, I hope this is understood. Okay, thank you.